Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin. We just opened the most ridiculous pallet. It was weird shaped and only partially full, but we still got some good product out of it. So we got it from 888lots. We bought a whole entire truckload, and we knew that some pallets are going to be really full, which was the first pallet we opened in the truckload, and we're already plus $5,000. And then we had this one, which was not full at all. If you haven't seen the full unboxing, check it out. I'll tag it at the end of this video. But we wanted to let you know, with that one, even though there weren't very many items in it, how much did we actually make? Each pallet averaged out to be $1,698, which we knew we were not going to make just based on the number of items in this particular pallet. And this was also a box damage pallet, so we knew that we were going to have to charge a little bit less per item for each one. But thankfully, we have the fire sales, and we can move a lot of product that's still in really great condition, just a little bit of scuffs on the boxes. So we're going to show you everything that we got in that pallet, and we're going to tell you exactly what we're going to charge for it so that you can buy it as well.
You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below.
All right, so if you would like to buy from 888lots, I do have the link down in the description. And for my international buyers, I do have a couple of international locations that are sister, basically, companies to 888lots. So check those out as well. They'll be right at the top. And if you want to buy anything that is cool that you've seen me unbox in the past, check out hookedonpickin.com. The link is also there too. So let's get into what we actually found in this pallet now that it's all cleaned up and we can get a good look at it. So we've got lots of different items that we're going to show you. So this was a really cool wallet. This one was the grandson wallet. And it's basically a grandpa gives it, and it's got a really cool saying of "Grandpa, I love you," and, you know, proud grandpa moment for this leather wallet. Then we have this cool 4-knife set with sheaths, and so it comes with multiple different knives.
They look a lot nicer when they're cleaned up.
Yes, they do. They do. And so we're going to sell this on the fire sale for $10. Wallet was going to be $10.
What is the fire sale?
The fire sale is, like all my stuff behind me, I've got stuff everywhere. The fire sale every Friday at noon on this YouTube channel. You can buy direct from me. It's super fun. There's about 400 people that usually come and join us, and some just watch. And then we usually have quite a few that decide to buy from me. And so I go over all the directions. If you haven't seen a fire sale, go ahead and watch some of my previous videos. But basically, we sell anywhere from 50 to 75 items direct to you, which means I can sell them to you at a super steep discount, which is why you're going to see some of these prices here, because I don't have to pay all those extra fees like Amazon and eBay require. And so you can buy them from Hooked on Pickin through the fire sale right here on this channel. All right, so we're going to look at some of the discounted prices you're going to get on the fire sale, and then we're going to go from there. So here is a cool My Little Pony. The only thing that was wrong with this packaging is the little back was gone. But look, she still works.
Right.
Lights up.
We priced it at $5. On Amazon, it was $11.49, something like that. So I think you could sell this if you weren't doing a fire sale. You could probably still sell it on eBay.
Yep.
You could sell it on your own site, Mercari, something like that. But you're not going to be able to sell this on Amazon. Why can't you sell this on Amazon, Heather?
Because the condition of the packaging is not brand new. So I always just send brand new into Amazon because I don't want to put my account in jeopardy. All right, then we have an Apple Watch charger. So it's got this little adapter and the magnetic charger to go in the back of the Apple Watch and the USB port. $5. They're going for around $15 on Amazon.
Now, we couldn't send that to Amazon because it's Apple.
Yep.
And we're not ungated in Apple.
Then we have this. We actually opened up the box and saw everything. There's absolutely nothing wrong. See the bottom of the box? That's why it was in my load, but nothing is broken at all. There's not even scratches on the headphones. So this is basically noise canceling headphones and some safety glasses. If you mow lawns or do construction or drywall or anything, it's a great thing. Then we've got a pair of size 26 black jeans that we will sell on Poshmark for $15. And then Poshmark is a clothing platform if you're not familiar with that. I do have a Poshmark store. It's under the name Paula Hooks, so click the link in the description. I have hundreds of clothing items for sale at a really steep discount there. All right, then we have this cool unicorn pillow for $10. It's magical. Yes, like Paul says, magical. All right, and then we have, this has been opened, but the disc is brand new. So this is Hello Neighbor PS4 game. It's a sandbox game, kind of like Minecraft, where I don't think there's really a purpose, but you sneak around your neighbor's house. I was reading the back. This is a game where you sneak around your neighbor's house. Creepy, but fun. All right, so $10 for that on the fire sale. And all these prices are at least 50% off of the normal price, and sometimes even less, even more than that. Here is another, this is a sparkling Moonlight. Here, let me move the tag.
Looks really cool.
Yeah, it's one of those laser color things. It'll shine on your trees or your house and make green laser lights all over it. So it's series illuminator light. Then we have a door lock. Oh, I missed these. These are capture the flag belts. I wasn't sure what they were. I was like, it's a strap with blue duct tape. No, it's capture the flag belts. There's a set of 3, $5 on the fire sale. Then we have a door lock. This actually is for an exterior door, or you can put it on the inside too, but it has a key lock on one side. $10, really long handled, and they're nickel is the color. Then we have these DIY clocks, $10. This one is cool because you just stick all the numbers on the outside, and then you'll be able to put the little hands and everything on the inside. And I believe the hands are actually a metallic blue. So we'll open it up on the fire sale and show you. And then we have this basically tool holder for a utility closet, $5 on the fire sale. Then we have this little figurine, $5 there. In this one, we won't send to Amazon because look what happened with the box. But the figurine is fine. Then we have, this is furniture movers, $5 for a set of those.
That's a good deal.
It is a good deal. Then we've got, what is this?
Those are those golf.
Oh, these are golf head covers for $10. There's a pack of 10 of them in there.
Those are really expensive. I saw all kinds of them that are just like, wow. I can't believe people spend that much on a head cover, but hey, it's golf.
Yes. Golf is an expensive sport. Then on the fire sale, we're going to sell this for $5, and this is a mini fan.
It's the pink one. The
pink one, yes. And then we have a water bottle. Looks exactly like that. $5 on the fire sale for that water bottle. And then we have these awesome reclosable Ziploc bags. And so there was just a little bit of box damage here and things like that. $10 for that whole thing. 100 bags, and they're 2-gallon size.
Yeah, that's a large size.
That's a large bag. Then this was a cool little, like it's an organizer that you put like on your bedside table. So it's got pockets and stuff. You could use it for your recliner or next to your bed, but little cool Velcro thing. You just clip it anywhere. And then it'll hold all your little trinkets and stuff. $5. Yeah, remotes or books or keys or whatever. Then an adjustable locker shelf, $5. So for the students, or just a space saver shelf. Then we have this Barbie. That actually is originally about $35 on Amazon. We found it. $20 we'll sell it. Nothing wrong with it. Not even opened. So this fire sale item is a pressure cooker accessory set. Let me show you the side. $10, and you get all these different things that come in it.
That was pretty cool.
Yeah, it is cool. All right, then we have trading card pages. You remember these? People use them for Pokemon cards these days, I think. $5. Paul was alive back in the days where they collected baseball cards.
Right. I used to collect baseball cards.
He used to. Then this is a pedicure set where you just get the extra skin and stuff off the bottom of your feet, and it's got extra blades and stuff. $5 on the fire sale. Yoga towel, $5.
Very important. You actually can't do yoga unless you have that towel.
That specific towel.
That specific towel.
So if you're doing yoga without that towel,
then you're doing it wrong.
You're doing it wrong. All right, this is a case, a Nintendo Switch Lite case. For $5. And then up here we have a car stereo DVD player. So it even has the screen for the backup camera, but it is a car stereo. Normally they ranged from $130 to $250. So we thought, you know what? We're just going to sell it for $40, but the box is damaged, but it's got all this extra padding that there's really no issue with the actual item itself. Right. So $40. It
does have some scratches on one side.
One corner has scratches, but as far as the functionality, no issues at all.
Yep.
So then we have this horticultural helper cool garden tool set. So it's a bag that has all of the rakes, the spoons, the shears, the gloves, the water bottle, and some other fun gardening tools. And it's a full set. It's awesome. I think it's a 9-piece set, including the bag. And the carry bag is super durable too, $15. And then we have this here. This is inkjet vinyl mat. It's basically a 15 durable water resistant permanent sticker sheets, $5 on the fire sale. Then we have this
shower curtain
for $10. And then we have this cool Pro Case 13.5-inch laptop sleeve case, which is really, really cool. And then I wanted to show you over here. So don't forget, you can buy all of this stuff on Hooked on Pickin. No G on the end, Hooked on Pickin. And then we come over here, and this is what we affectionately refer to as the Nothing Burger table. So we're not really going to be able to sell these things individually. We may take a few of these things, like these are cool USB-C USB adapters, so we may put this in like a power adapter or an electronics bundle, but by themselves I don't really think they're worth selling on their own, and so we may keep them around and put them in a bundle with a bunch of other things just to have a good deal for somebody. We've got some underwear, some random flags. These are picture frame backs that you put in a picture frame to hang it on the wall. Cheesecloth, but it got dirty and it's torn. So we decided that's not a good idea. These two items are really actually pretty good items, but both of them are expired.
Right.
So we will not be selling either one of
them. Like that Vega One organic, that'd be like $30 to $40, but it's expired. So
yeah, so we don't feel comfortable selling them like that. And then these are just screen protectors and tracing pads and invitation paper and stuff.
The invitation we might be able to do in a craft lot.
Yeah. So those are items that were like, we just don't like the condition enough to sell it, and so we decided not to sell it. But with all the things we can sell, believe it or not, we still are going to make $305. So don't think that just because you have a few items or that there's a little bit of damage on them that there's no worth. Now, we did 50 to 75% off the original brand new price of almost every item on that table that you saw. And we're still going to make $305. And so just because it's damaged doesn't mean it doesn't have worth. And so you got to be creative in the way that you're selling things. I would love, like if I didn't have Hooked on Pickin', I would sell a lot of those on eBay and just divulge that it has a corner broken in the box or box damage or whatever, and they'll sell great still on eBay for close to those prices. And so hopefully you guys are encouraged. $305, we'll add that to the $5,000 I'm already at.
What if they want one of these things right now?
If you want one right now, then send me an email to hookedonpickin.com to the Contact Me drop-down menu, and you can ask me for it right now. Absolutely. I'm in the reselling business. I'd love to resell it to you for a good deal. And so go ahead and just contact me. That happens all the time. And I would rather put some other things on the fire sale and sell what you want to you right away. So hopefully you had fun watching this 888 Lots pallet profit number video to see, even though I had box damage, I can still make a profit. And so we're already well into profit with that first pallet. Remember, I bought everything as a load, so even though it's an individual pallet and it doesn't look like it's profitable, across the entire load we're still in the plus money. So hopefully it's been fun to watch this video, and of course, remember, in the end, Jesus wins.
Would you like to make tons of money selling on Poshmark? Well, check out my new ebook, How to Create a Profitable Poshmark Store. Why do we sell on Poshmark? Where to get my inventory? How to create my first listing? How to sell my items? And then, of course, I give you also all my secrets on my top tips. If you'd like to purchase this ebook, just go to hookedonpickin.com or click the link in the description below. If you love the content that I give, you can support me on Patreon. Just follow the link in the description below, and I will offer you lots of exclusive things. You can be in the Hooked on Pickin' Coffee Club, have your Naven Lights, be in the Hooked on Pickin' Reseller Club, or the Reseller Pro Club. You get different perks for each club. So if you'd like to support me in my channel, please head on over to my Patreon account and start supporting. Thanks!
Hey guys, thanks for watching. Hey, it's Christmas time. You should be doing some shopping. Like, I think you really need to buy some maybe hair color. I think you need some cool, you know, ninja throwing stars. You need some little arrows. What about some awesome looking candles? Don't you know you want your pet to wear a hot dog costume at Christmas time, because that would be amazing. But you see all the stuff behind me, they're available on hookedonpickin.com, and so you can go there and find amazing items, as well as, hey, maybe you spent too much money and it's after Christmas now and you need some extra cash. If you'd like to get into the reselling business, I offer consultation phone calls just for you to be able to fast track you on making money yourself. So go to Hooked on Pickin. You can find all the resources there and awesome products to buy.